Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the traditional way of making a South Indian filter coffee. I have been making this for last 9 years now for every single day. So let me share this recipe with you. Now for making the South Indian filter coffee, the first basic thing that you need is this filter. This filter has a lid and has two parts like this. This is the bottom part where the decoction gets collected, and this is the top part where we put the coffee powder and add water, and this is an additional thing which we put it on top. So this is a mandatory thing which you should have for making a South Indian filter coffee. And next is the coffee powder. The coffee powder, what you buy, should be of a proportion of 80 by 20. That is, which says 80% coffee and 20% chicory. This is the perfect combination of a South Indian filter coffee. So I use this brand and I buy this from online. And you need any milk of your choice and some serving dish. Now in this we need to add the coffee powder, but before we add a coffee powder, it is very important to check that these holes are clear inside. You can check by doing like this, seeing like this, holding it right up. In case you find any blockages here, then you need to hold it like this. Show this on the flame for a couple of seconds to remove any kind of blockages inside. Please ensure that the top portion, this top portion, has to be absolutely dry when you put the coffee powder. Now to this I am adding about 6 spoons of coffee powder. Just do like this. Let it be all, even. And on top of this you need to put this. Keep this and add nice boiling water to this. The water need not be 100 degrees Celsius, but however it needs to be really nice and hot, which has started to bubble. Now we'll close this lid and leave this for about 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's boil the milk. Before you boil any milk or you make tea in this kind of a saucepan, just rinse it with water once so that the milk or the tea doesn't stick hard to the bottom. It will be easy for cleaning. Also, the milk that is used for coffee shouldn't be very thick. And hence, if at all you are using a thick milk, then you may add little water to the milk before making coffee. Thin milk is what goes well with coffee. I am not adding any water to this, as I find this Amul Taza cow milk of perfect consistency for the coffee. Now let's check. The top portion is hot, so I'm using a towel. You can see this. You have got nice, fresh, strong decoction. To this I'm adding some decoction. You can add sugar, brown sugar, stevia, anything of your choice. To this I am adding nice boiling milk. You can adjust the decoction according to the color. If you want lot of froth, then you may do this multiple times, but this is good. Now I am going to enjoy my breakfast. That is, this is not the regular idli, this is the soft fluffy jowar idli along with some coconut chutney and the filter coffee. In case you are interested in traditional South Indian sambar recipe, then do click the I button or check the description box below. Wow. So hope you like this video and do try it at your homes, and do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.